One trading day left in the third quarter. How did retail investors fare in this rough patch? Joining us now is eToro US CEO Lule Demese. Back with us. eToro is an online trading and investment platform. Lule, I'm wondering first of all about IPOs. Did you see any trend in retail interest after those initial pops?
Well, first of all, good to be with you again. Thanks for having me. And you guys are killing it on the Delivering Alpha conference. I just saw your interview with Bill Ackman, so congrats. So we do see, after a long desert since the bubble of IPO markets really sort of drying up, there's a real hunger for people to participate. So we, for instance, saw in ARM, once after this it became available in the secondary market, a increase in demand for that particular IPO stock. Not all IPOs are created equal, but there's always sort of like an inclination more to technology as a more appealing sector for them.
So the retail investors, are they getting involved and they're buying for the long term, or are they looking to trade? And I ask that because where the IPO priced versus the initial pop versus where some of these stocks are trading now, I mean, you can lose quite a bit of money in the meantime.
Yeah, it's not that they're not doing a mix of all of them, but they're definitely looking at, especially around the technology sector and AI and any kind of sort of tech play that goes into the market, it is a long-term play. And we saw that in the survey as well. An overwhelming majority of them said this is a long-term play for me.
And then, Lule, what happened to crypto? Are people holding it for yield the way they used to in some cases, or is it mostly just young people?
Yeah, it's interesting, when you pan out a little, so, we have millennials are younger as the majority of our investor base. We're over in a global company, so we also see the footprint of consumers across the world. And what you do see is that crypto is still hanging strong, but particularly among the 18 to 34 cohort. So in this latest survey we had, over half of them said they still hold and buy opportunistically around crypto. But they also said they do other things. Again, this is not just a crypto play for a lot of these investors. So for instance, they looked at the valuation play that was happening in the financial sector, right? Banks were down 22%. So you saw a considerable amount of financial sector buying on our platform and in the survey results. In addition to the tech and AI theme continues. In the tech space, it's around clean energy, AI, and sort of the big tech names that still keep winning.